good this week.
I am very happy to hear your wins this week.
Yeah, that was really amazing.
Thank you so much that you consider this as a success.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Did you have any flare-up this week?
I did not.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
So let's talk about this a little, right? I want to hear your journey. So you started off with the arachnoid adhesion, right? That's basically what was diagnosed, right? So I noticed that you sent me the report. They also said there were the spinal fluid that was leaking in the beginning.
Yeah, that's what that doctor said. I really don't know.
Right.
I don't know.
I mean, they only go by that from the MRI, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And before taking on hyperotic fascia training, you tried the mainstream PT, right?
Yeah, I mean, I probably I went to maybe like 4 or 5 different PTs through the course of like 5 years, 6 years. Until I realized that this is not. It's the same thing. Everyone does the same thing. Nothing really lasts. You have to keep going back to them. And at the end, it doesn't work.
Right. And then you found out about me through Instagram.
Yeah.
From the fascia, was that the fascia training academy I post, right? And what was your experience like in the first few weeks? I know we had a lot of fascial adhesions before.
Yeah, I mean, I was kind of skeptical that this was gonna work.
Right. Me too. Because in theory, we know it will help, but we never had a patient like you. No.
So I decided I was gonna put in my 100%. I was gonna do what I was able to, and then see where it would go. And honestly, I've been pleasantly surprised because my pain levels in like most of my body like is gone.
Where was the pain before for majority of the time?
It was everywhere, right? It was everywhere, but if I had flare-ups, it was in the spine, in the area of the injury. So my flare-ups have gotten down. Like, I mean, I can't say for 100% that injury is gone yet, right? Like, but I now, like, I have hope that it can actually go away eventually. Like, I think that it could actually heal.
Yes.
When I'm able to do things that I just wasn't able to do before, like, you know, just walk or even just sit on the floor. You know, if I sat on the floor, I was in pain for the rest of the day or whatever, you know. I can sit on the floor. I can walk for like long distances. I can do a lot more than I was able to like 3 months ago.
Great. I hope this study case will serve as a example for people who have the similar condition as you, which is the deepest layer of fascia. That is the deepest layer of fascia. I mean, in theory, we know it can influence the deepest layer of fascia. Now we actually have a study case. So that's why I'm like jumping through the roof. You know, I was in tears when you told me, you know, your pain, you know, no more flare-ups. Of course, it's a 6-year injury, so there's definitely needs more work. I see that everywhere else the adhesion is all gone, except the lower back area. You still have a 4. So we're gonna keep on working on that and build the myofibroblast to help with the healing. But I think eventually it should heal.
Yeah, I think so too.
Because I mean, it's a 6-year injury. We worked for 12 weeks, and at week 8, that was a significant milestone that I was waiting for, and that was the week correlated to you reporting for the first time you didn't have any flare-ups, and now we're 12th week, so we're gonna keep on getting better.